This is lesson 80. We are adding and subtracting mixed measures and polynomials, and your objective is here. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, this is your first objective we will have another one later in the lesson. Okay, example 1 says, competing in a triathlon, Regina swam for 27 minutes and 15 seconds, and she biked for 48 minutes and 28 seconds, and she ran for 42 minutes and 53 seconds. What was her total time for the triathlon? Okay, so total time means we want to add all those things up. So we're going to take 27 minutes and 15 seconds, and we're going to add 48 minutes and 28 seconds, and then add 42 minutes and 53 seconds. And we're going to add all those up. Okay, well the very first thing that I want to do is add my seconds all together. Okay, so 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 3 is 16. Put our label here. Okay, carry the 1. We got 2, 4, and 9. Then we're going to add up our minutes here. 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 2 is 17. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 4 is 7, plus 11, plus 4 is 11. So we have 117 minutes and 96 seconds. Alright, well, we want to go ahead and, since we've got minutes and seconds here, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this in terms of minutes and seconds in a different way, because here I've got over 1 minute. Okay, so this is 117 minutes plus 96 seconds. Well, that is 1 minute and 36 seconds. Okay, so 117 minutes is the same as 117 minutes and 0 seconds. So now I need to add these together. Since here this adds up to more than 1 minute, so now I've got 118 minutes and 36 seconds for my time. Okay, since the problem started in minutes and seconds, and it didn't ask us to change it to hours or anything like that, I'm going to go ahead and leave it as 118 minutes and 36 seconds. Okay, since again those were our labels to start with. So again, the only things we did is we added up all the minutes and added up all the seconds. Okay, and then we had to convert. Since this was over 1 minute, we had to convert it to 1 minute and 36 seconds and then re-add. Okay, and let's go ahead and do another example. Example 2 says Junior weighed 7 pounds and 12 ounces when he was born. Now he weighs 12 pounds and 5 ounces. It says how much weight has he gained? Okay, so since we're trying to figure out the difference between the two weights, we're going to subtract his weight now from the weight when he was born. So we're going to take 12 pounds and 5 ounces, and we're going to subtract 7 pounds and 12 ounces. Okay, well, 12 is more than 5, so I cannot subtract those. So I have to borrow. Okay, we're going to borrow 1 pound from this and make this 11. And 1 pound is 16 ounces. Okay, so we have to change this. We have to add 16 ounces to our 5. So that's going to become 21 ounces. Because there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. Okay, so when we borrowed this pound out, we had to add 16 to our ounces we already had. Now we can subtract 21 minus 12, that gives me 9 ounces. And 11 minus 7 is 4 pounds. So he has gained 4 pounds and 9 ounces since he was born. Okay, so we are borrowing with labels. Okay, we need to make sure that when we take one out, that we add however many of this label there are in, or of this label there are in the other one. So again, there were 16 ounces in 1 pound. So when I borrowed a pound, I had to add 16 ounces to what I already had. Okay, so it's different than borrowing when we subtract regular numbers. And let's keep moving on. Example 3 says, last year during physical fitness testing, Marissa completed a mile in 12 minutes and 15 seconds. This year she finished in 9 minutes and 48 seconds. She improved her time by how many minutes and seconds? So again, since we're finding a difference, we're going to subtract these. So I'm going to take 12 minutes and 15 seconds, and I'm going to subtract 9 minutes and 48 seconds. Well, again, I can't take 48 seconds from 15 seconds, so I'm going to have to borrow. I'm going to have to borrow 1 minute, so that makes us 11 minutes. And since 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, I need to add in 60 seconds to what I already had. So 60 plus 15, that's 75 seconds now. Alright, well now I can subtract 75 minus 48. That is 27. Okay, and then 11 minus 9, that is 2. So it's 2 minutes and 27 seconds. That's how much faster she ran her mile. So she improved by quite a bit for a mile time. And we'll move on now to the next example.